Hi, this is Mr. Cappert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the limbs of your figurine. Like always, you want to do a new, you want to do a standard part. You could have hit this button as well. Either way, there's multiple ways of doing this. Once open, you're going to do a 2D sketch. Doesn't matter which plane, I'll choose this one. And for the legs, it sounded like you guys want to just have circular legs and circular arms. So that's what I mean by the limbs. Now you guys need to figure out what the diameter is. I'm just going to use generic dimensions. Do not use the same dimensions. Actually, there's no way it's going to be that big. And you could change the dimensions by clicking in this box if you mess up. Then remember, you have this string going down the middle. You need to determine how big that string is, what diameter of a hole you need. Once you have that, you can extrude this shape. Make sure you click on this area. That's what you want to extrude. And then whatever length you guys have decided. The leg, it looked like you guys wanted to have two different cylinders. So you're going to create two different parts. Hit OK. Change it to whatever color or material you want. So you could do, you could also use this wheel. Click on it, and then let's change the color to blue, for instance. And then you can hold down Shift and change all of these. If you hold down Shift, you can change all of these at the same time. When you're done, you need to save this. You want to save it to your H drive so you don't lose this. New. Create a folder to keep this organized. So call it figurine. I don't know how to spell figurine actually. Something like that. And then give it something descriptive like bottom of leg, something like that. All right. You can look up anatomy, what it should be called, and hit save. Hope this helped.